He cannot be. That is not funny.
That's funny.
That's not funny.
That's hilarious.
Well, how can you even get him out now?
Wait, don't get him.
Get down. Can someone come and help me so I don't break all these ornaments?
Wait, the string, it might choke him. The lights went
No.
off.
Oh, jeez. I mean,
He just rocked that tree.
That tree's gonna knock down for real, for real. Yeah, the lights went off. Okay, but watch. 5 minutes, he's gonna do it again. Guarantee it. I think you
It was an ugly tree anyway.
I think you made him upset when you
I
did
don't
it.
care. I hit him on purpose.
I think he learned.
Spanking, Gabby.
He's crying.
Oh, well.
Well, he's just sitting there now.
He's breathing hard.